Understanding the domino theory in international relations. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing concept in international relations, the domino theory. This theory has played a significant role in global politics, especially during the Cold War era. Let's explore what it means and why it's important. The domino theory is a 20th-century foreign policy theory that suggests that a political event in one country will cause similar events in neighboring countries, like a falling domino causing an entire row of upended dominoes to fall. This theory was primarily used by the United States during the Cold War to justify its intervention in the affairs of other nations, particularly in Southeast Asia. Originating in the 1950s, the domino theory was used to explain the need to contain the spread of communism. The fear was that if one country fell under communist influence or control, neighboring countries would follow in a domino effect. This theory shaped much of American foreign policy in regions like Vietnam, leading to significant military involvement. While influential, the domino theory has been criticized for oversimplifying complex international relations. Critics argue that it failed to consider the unique cultural, historical, and social factors in each country. As a result, the theory's predictions often did not materialize as expected. In the post-Cold War era, the domino theory has lost much of its prominence. However, its legacy persists in how we understand the potential for rapid political changes across regions. It's a reminder of how interconnected countries are in our global landscape. That's our overview of the domino theory. It's a fascinating concept that shows how ideas in international relations can shape world history. I hope this video has been enlightening and helpful in understanding this important theory. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.